Friends, now we are in the chapter dot product of vectors. Among the chapter dot product of vectors, we are discussing level 2 classwork. Level 2 classwork. We completed 13 sums. Now let us continue from 14th question. Level 2 classwork. 14th question. This is IMP conceptual question for main, for MSET and mains also. In a right angle triangle ABC, the hypotenuse AB equal to P. He given the data clearly, the hypotenuse AB in a right angle triangle. So whenever hypotenuse AB given, the angle C should be 90 degrees. AB is equal to P. He given the length or magnitude. Now find, using this data, you should calculate as AB dot AC. AB dot AC plus BC dot BA plus CA dot CB. Whenever angle C is equal to 90 degrees, so the two vectors based on the angle dot product equal to 0. So here you can write AC dot BC. AC dot BC equal to 0 or CB dot CA equal to 0. I said about the incoming vectors and outgoing vectors. CA and CB, AC and BC. Dot product is 0. So CA dot CB, this is 0, no need to calculate. This becomes 0. Now AB, using triangle law, you can change the value AB here. AB you change as AC plus CB. AC plus CB into AC you write. Here BC into, you change the value BA. The BA value you can change as the property of triangle. BA is equal to BC plus CA. BC plus CA you write. That is equal to multiply as AC square with like this. AC square plus CB dot AC plus this can be written as BC square plus BC dot CA. AC square plus CB dot AC here we can written as CB dot AC. Dot product is commutative, then you can understand this is 0, this is not 0, this is 0. You write here AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square is the right angle triangle property AB square. He given the value as P square. So in terms of P he given, so we can write in terms of P only, that is why I changed the letter AB. Next, 15th question. Read the question. The triangle ABC defined by the vectors. The triangle ABC defined by the vectors. A here 0, 7, 10. So component here given. B -1, 6, 6. C given. Then D be the foot of altitude from B to AC. So B above is called. B to AC. The D. Put the name D here. Perpendicular symbol here. This is C. You join here. So foot of altitude you should calculate. B component he given as -1, 6, 6. And C he given as -4, 9, 6. Let D be the foot of altitude. You should calculate DB. Find DB. So you should remember that the formula DB is the perpendicular concept. DB is the orthogonal projection, the vector which is perpendicular to A bar. So remember the formula B bar minus B bar dot A bar into A bar by modulus of A bar square. So using this concept, simply I am writing the formula in the box. So if it is B bar and if it is A bar, you can understand this one as B bar vector minus, this is perpendicular orthogonal projection in the direction of perpendicular to AC concept. Then using this formula you can write AB bar minus AB bar dot AC bar into AC bar by modulus of AC bar square. Modulus of AC bar square. That's all. He given the vector, according to vector you should calculate. So AB means OB minus OA, position vector concept. BC means OC minus OB, AC means OC minus OA. That implies this can be written as AB value OB minus OA, minus 1 minus 0, minus I you write. Next 6 minus 7, minus j you write. 6 minus 10, minus 4k you write. Minus of AB, again the vector same, minus I, minus j, minus 4k, dot, here AC, OC minus OA, minus 4, minus 0, minus 4i, plus 9, minus 7, plus 2j, 6 minus 10, minus 4k, whole by the component AC square, the component, this is now we got here 16 plus 4 plus 16 into, again the vector AC, we should write here as minus 4i plus 9j plus 6k, that is equal to minus I minus j minus 4k, put a bracket, minus of, while doing dot product I dot I, j dot z, k dot k should write. Now it becomes minus of minus plus 4 minus 2 plus 16 whole by minus 4 plus 16. This is minus 4a plus 9j plus 6k. Minus 4a plus 9j plus 16k whole by, what is the value here, 36, here 16 4, this is 18, 18 will be getting cancelled in 2 times. So that is equal to, you write minus 2i minus 2j minus 8k plus 4i minus 9j minus 16k whole by 2. Here you can write this one as 2i minus 11j minus 24k whole by 2. dB he given, AC on dB, AB minus AB dot AC square, I had written properly. The option he given as 15th one, second option he given I minus 2j minus 2k. Somewhere mistake maybe 0, 7, 10, minus 1, 6, 6, minus 4, 9, 6. Data is correct. Foot of the altitude from B to the AC, side AC, it's also correct. Then dB, the vector AB bar minus of AB bar dot AC into AC by modulus of AC square, formula correct. So AB value OB minus OA minus I minus 6 minus 7 minus J 6 minus 10 minus 4K, it is right. Minus of the value AB, the same value minus A minus J minus 4K into AC OC minus OA minus 4I plus 2J minus 4K into minus 4I plus 2J, the same value, mistake I written. 2J 4 minus 4I plus 2J minus 4K. Here minus 4I plus 2J minus 4K. Minus 4I plus 2J minus 4K. 36 it's okay. 2 it's okay. Minus 2I minus 2J minus 8K it's okay. Now you can write here the value minus 4I. Minus 4I minus of minus, it becomes plus 4I. Plus 4I minus 2j plus 4k whole by 2. Now you can write this one, 2i minus 2 is minus 4 and minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. So my 2i minus 4j minus 4k by 2, you can get the value I minus 2j minus 2k. So we got the second option. Now let us discuss about the equation of planes in vector forms and Cartesian form also. In concept, I said everything regarding the equation of planes. Here he is asking about the equation of plane which is p units distance from origin. A plane is at 8 units distance from origin and is perpendicular to the vector given 2i plus j plus 2k, the equation of plane. Now let us remember the formula, that vector equation. Vector equation of plane is r bar dot n cap equal to p here. And according to this question, r bar and n bar is equal to p. N bar means unit vector. R bar dot, here it is, he is saying that passing through a point, origin perpendicular, a plane is at a distance of 8 units from the origin perpendicular to a vector, and which is perpendicular to a vector also directly given 2i plus j plus 2k. This is a normal vector and 8 units in each. R bar dot, the perpendicular vector we can write here. The perpendicular vector 2i minus 2j, the perpendicular vector 2i plus j plus 2k given. 2i plus j plus 2k. 2i plus by, according to unit vector concept, you should try to understand mod n by n bar by mod n by root of like this 4 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to the distance he given as 8 units. So you write here r bar dot 2i plus j plus 2k by 3. 3 taken this side, you can write it as a 24. So option is there. 2i plus j plus 2k. Fourth option. 16th one. Okay. Next. Let us discuss about 17th question. 17th question. The angle between the planes passing through the points A 0, 0, 0. He is asking A 0, 0, B 1, 1, 1, C 3, 2, 1. 2 points given. And again A 0, 0, this is first plane, pi 1, plane 1. Next A 0, 0, 0, B 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, D, he changed the name, D 3, 1, 2, this is pi 2. So I said previously, angle between two planes can be represented as angle between their normals. ఇక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది θ, ఇది pi 1 అనుకో, ఇది pi 2 అనుకో. pi 1 కి నార్మల్, ఇది pi 1 కి నార్మల్ అవుతుంది. pi 1 కి నార్మల్ n1 అనుకుంటే, pi 2 కి నార్మల్ n2 అనుకుంటే cos θ is equal to n1 dot n2 by modulus of n1 dot n2. First of all, we should calculate the equation of planes using the given data. In 1b, the plane chapter had discussed, in IP also discussed. Equation of plane ABD I am writing. Equation of plane ABC. ABC plane discuss cheyalante Cartesian equation prakaram veldamu. X minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 0. And here OB minus OA concept. Next OC minus OA. OB minus OA. ఇందులో తీసేయండి 1, 1, 1. OC minus OA. అంటే 3, 2, 1. Now you find the equation of plane using this one. X into 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus y into 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus z into 2 minus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. So you will be getting minus x plus 2y minus z. There is no constant. Okay. Equal to 0. minus x plus 2y minus z equal to 0. If you multiply with minus, you will be getting x minus 2y plus z equal to 0. That is the equation of plane 1 pi 1. Next, using the data, I am writing ABD, equation of plane ABD I am writing. Equation of plane ABD, same concept, passing through 0, 0, 0, x, y, z you write 3, just changed a number, that's all, 1, 1, 1, and this is 3, 1, 2. Equation of plane you calculate 1 minus 2, this is minus 1, and y into 2 minus 3, this is also minus 1, plus z into 1 minus 3, this is minus 2 equal to 0. Now minus x plus y, this is minus 2, minus x plus y minus 2z, just constant change between the two planes. Now you can write here with multiplying minus, we may get x minus y plus 2z equal to 0. This is pi 2. I said so many times that angle between the two planes can be represented as angle between their normals. అంటే ప్లేన్ నుంచి నార్మల్ వెక్టర్ బయటికి తీయాలి. ఏంటి సార్ నార్మల్ వెక్టర్ బయట తీయడం అంటే I bar, J bar, K bar are the unit vectors along x, y, z axis respectively. Then you can write the first of all formula cos theta is equal to n1 bar n2 bar by modulus of n1 into modulus of n2. Cos theta is equal to here this one, 1 into 1 like this, I minus 2j plus k, I minus j plus 2k, like that you understand. Now you write here 1 I dot I concept, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 2 by magnitude root of that one, 1 plus 4 plus 1, and this is also 1 plus 1 plus 4, 2 to 4, this is 5, 1 plus, this became 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2, 5 by, this is root 6 by root 6, cos theta is equal to 5 by 6 we got, but given the option is 120, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, and 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2. We found the equation. He given the option as 17th one. The vector he got minus x plus 2y minus z he given. Yeah, he got the answer. X minus 2y plus z, it's okay. X plus y minus 2z he got. Just somewhere here. X into this is 2 minus 1. Here it is plus. And y into 2 minus 3, it's okay. Z into 1 minus 3, it's okay. So x, this is plus y minus 2z. Now you write x plus y minus 2z. X plus y minus 2z. So x minus 2y plus z multiplying with the I dot I, j dot j concept 1, here it becomes minus 1 into this one, 1 into 1, minus 2 into 1, minus 2, 1 minus 2, and again minus 2. Okay, now you will be getting 1 minus 2 value 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4 value minus 3 by 6 you get. Minus 3 by 6 is minus 1 by 2. The value minus 1 by 2 becomes cos value 120 degrees. So, okay, next 18th one. The point of application of force. You should read the question carefully. The point of application of force. Force ఒకటి apply అవుతుంది. The point of application of force minus 2, 4, 7. Minus 2, 4, 7 is displaced from the point 3, minus 5, 1 to 5, 9, 7. ఇక్కడ A ఇక్కడ B అని పేరు పెడదాం. A 3, -5, 1. The point is moving in a direction AB towards AB. 3 - 5, 1. The point is 3 - 5, 1 moving to B 5, 9, 7. The point of application of force -2, 4, 7. ఇక్కడ 4 -2, 4, 7 అప్లై అవుతుంది ఫోర్స్ అప్లై అవుతుంది. దట్స్ అది డేటా. ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ చదవండి. ద పాయింట్ 3, -5, టు ద పాయింట్ 5, 9, 7 బట్ ద ఫోర్స్ సడన్లీ హాఫ్డ్. HALVED అంటే సగం అయిపోయింది. సగం అంటే అది తగ్గింది ఫోర్స్. సడన్లీ హాఫ్డ్ వెన్ ద పాయింట్ అప్లికేషన్ మూవ్స్ హాఫ్ ద డిస్టెన్స్. ఇదే అండర్లైన్ చేసుకుని మరొకసారి చదువుకోండి. ఏంటంటే బట్ ద ఫోర్స్ ఈజ్ సడన్లీ హాఫ్డ్ వెన్ ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ అప్లికేషన్ మూవ్స్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద డిస్టెన్స్. అంటే హాఫ్కి వెళ్ళేటప్పటికి ఫోర్స్ తగ్గిపోయింది. మరి పరిస్థితి ఏంటి సార్? వాట్ ఇస్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్? ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్కి ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓకే. ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్కి ఫోర్స్ బాగానే ఉంది, చక్కగా అప్లై అయింది. బట్ ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం వల్ల సెకండ్ హాఫ్ పర్టికులర్ పాయింట్ మూవ్ అయ్యేటప్పటికి, అంటే ఇది ఫుల్ డిస్టెన్స్, ఈ ఫుల్ డిస్టెన్స్లో ఇది D/2 అని రాస్తుంది. అంటే ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ దగ్గర D/2 F ఈజ్ ఓకే. D/2కి ఫోర్స్ ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్కి బాగానే ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ హాఫ్కి వెళ్ళేటప్పటికి ఫోర్స్ ఆఫ్ అయిపోయింది. అదే కండిషన్. అది అర్థమైతే సమ్ వచ్చింటే. అంటే ఫర్ ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ ద ఫోర్స్ ఈజ్ ఓకే, ఫర్ సెకండ్ హాఫ్ ఫోర్స్ బికేమ్ హాఫ్. అంటే కండిషన్ యూ రైట్. నౌ ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్కి బాగానే ఉంది ఫోర్స్. కండిషన్ ఏంటంటే వర్క్ డన్ మనకు తెలుసు. వర్క్ డన్ అంటే F ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వర్క్ డన్ W ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు F.AB. W ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు F ఇంటూ యూ రైట్ హియర్ D బార్. ఫస్ట్ దానికి బాగానే ఉంది. అంటే ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ రైట్, ఫోర్స్ ఈజ్ ఓకే. సెకండ్ హాఫ్ ఫోర్స్ బికేమ్ రెడ్యూస్డ్ బై 2 times F/2 ఇంటూ D/2. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ వేరే వర్క్ డన్ అయిపోయింది, సెకండ్ హాఫ్ వేరే వర్క్ డన్ అయిపోయింది. ఎందుకంటే ఫోర్స్ డ్యూ టు రిడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్స్ వల్ల. F/D/2. వాట్ ఇస్ ద D బార్? AB/2. F బార్ అంటే ఇక్కడ నువ్వు -2i + 4j + 7k రాసుకోండి. అది F బార్ ఒరిజినల్గా అలాగే -247 ఇట్స్ ఓకే ఇంటూ D/2 అంటే OB - OA. వాట్ ఇస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ 5 - 3? 2i. 9 + 5 it is 14j + 7 - 1 it is 6k whole by 2. I am discussing about first half of the displacement. Next మీరు దీనికి కూడా అంటే 1/4 పెట్టేయచ్చు. 1/4 ఇంటూ మళ్ళీ సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ -2i + 4j + 7k ఇంటూ సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ 2i + 14j + 6k. Using dot product we get the value here. 2 get cancelled. That is equal to, let us complete product, dot product, -4 plus 14, 4s are 56 plus 6, 7s are 42 whole by 2. Next -2 into -2, -4 plus 14, 4s are 56, same concept, plus 6, 7s are 42 whole by 4. If we take 4 will not be divided. 4 will not be divided properly. So 2 may divide here. -2 plus 28. -2 plus 28 plus 21 plus this one you can write -1 plus 28 by 2. No, 14 times it will divide. But here we got the problem 21 by 2. No problem. Now you can write the data. -2 plus 28 plus 21 according to options. We got the value in 0.5s. -2, -1, -3, just 21 by 2 you leave it. -2, this is 28, so 26, 26, 27, 47 you write here. This is 13, 47, 13 and plus 21 by 2. What is the value of 47 and 13? 60. This is 10.5. So we got the answer force as 70.5. That is 18th question. Next 19th question. This is 18th question. Now 19th question. Now I am discussing. If the forces of magnitudes 6 and 7, if the forces of magnitudes 6 and 7 units acting on the directions. 19th question. రెండు ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ చేస్తాయి. ఫోర్స్ 1 అందాం, ఫోర్స్ 1, ఫోర్స్ 2. If the forces of magnitudes 6 and 7 acting on a particle acting in the directions I minus 2j plus 2k, 2i minus 3j minus 6k respectively act on a particle which is displayed from the point P 2 minus 1 3 at ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు P 2 minus 1 3, 2 minus 1 minus 3, that is P, and a Q he given as 5 minus 1 1. Forces magnitudes తో పాటు డైరెక్షన్స్ కూడా ఇచ్చాడు. F1 this is work done, to calculate work done, S displacement or PQ rate or dV rate. F1 he given as, F1 is I minus 2j plus 2k. Next F2, force 2 he given as 2i minus 3j minus 6k. Two forces applying in a body, then we can write here resultant force. Resultant force F is equal to F1 plus F2. You add the two force, you may get the value 5i minus 5j, 5i minus 5j minus 4k. 5i minus 5j minus 4k is the resultant force. Now W is equal to F dot PQ, Fs. What is the value of PQ? So you write here 5i minus 5j minus 4k dot the value 5 minus 2 3i, the value minus 1 minus plus 1 0, this is 3i, this is 0j, 1 plus 3, this is 4k. Using the dot product formula, we can write here, this is 15 minus 0 minus 16. So answer only minus 1, but he given as 4 units. I minus 2j plus 2k first force. That indicates magnitude he given 6 and 7, 1 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, 19th one. 1 plus 4 plus 4 he given. F1 4 minus 7 2. First forces are 6 7 magnitude he given, but the direction I minus 2j plus 2k. What is the magnitude here? Let us discuss about magnitude. F1 becomes 1 plus 4 plus 4. What is the value of 1 plus 4 plus 4? 1, it becomes 3. So he given mod F1 is equal to given and writing. So we should discuss that one also. Given mod F1 equal to 6. So here you try to understand as 2i minus 4j. 2i minus 4j plus 4k. Next one, he given the magnitude. Let us discuss about F2. F2, for this one I am calculating 4 plus 9 plus 36. It's okay. So force 2 is as this you write. Original. Here, this is the direction and this is the original. Now F1 is equal to, simply you write, and F1 is equal to resultant force. You add here these 2 1. This is 2F. 2i mod F1 equal to 3. Here F1 is equal to 3. Given F1 is equal to 6. So F1 should be in the same way. So now add this one. It becomes 4i minus 4 minus 3 minus 7j 4 minus 6 minus 2k. So you should write here the value 4i minus 7j, 4i minus 7j minus 2k, 4i minus 7j minus 2k. Now 4 3s are, now you write 4 3s are 12 minus 7 0, it becomes minus of minus 2 4s are 8. Okay, 12 minus 8, 4 we got. You can understand now. If the magnitude is double, then you should multiply the number with 2 of the given force. According to direction and according to question, you should try to understand regarding the work done. Next, 20%. A constant force acts on a particle. Ikkada directions em levu for constant force okte. A constant force F is equal to 3i plus 4j minus 5k. Acts on a particle I plus 2j plus 3k and moves to a point on the z axis. Z axis ki move. A constant force applying ikkada oka particle A తీసుకోండి. That particle he given as 1, 2, 2. It is B. This B on z axis. Z axis ke particle move. Z axis which is 3 units from origin. అంటే ఇక్కడ 3 units from origin అని ఇచ్చాడంటే మనకి అర్థం కావాల్సింది ఏంటంటే కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ x axis 1 0 0, కాంపోనెంట్ ఆఫ్ y axis 0 1 0, కాంపోనెంట్ ఆఫ్ z axis 0 0 1, జనరల్ న్యాచురల్. సో ఇక్కడ 3 units అన్నాడంటే మనకి అర్థం కావాల్సింది z axis అంటే 0 0 3 అంతే, అలా వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు వర్క్ డన్ W is equal to F dot AB. W is equal to F dot AB. F means you write 3i plus 4j, 3i plus 4j minus 5k dot OB. This is minus I minus 2j plus 3k minus 2k. It becomes k. Now you write this is minus 3 minus 8 minus 5. 3, 5, 10. This is 18. Here 3, 8, 11, 16. Okay, 16 we got. Minus that too. There is no modulus. If work done you get in minus, you put minus and think one. It is as a negative direction work done. Next. We completed level 2 students. Level 2 lo 20 bits unnai. Dot product of vectors concept lo 20 bits we completed. Level 2 completed. Now we are going to discuss about level 3. Level 3 dot products of vectors. Dot products of vectors level 3. Let us start first question. First question, data sigma I is equal to 1 to n. Sigma I is equal to 1 to n. I equal to 0 bar mod AI. Mod AI is equal to 1. Mod A equal to 1 he given. Then find the value sigma 1 less than or equal to I. Sigma here I less than or equal to j less than or equal to n. The value AI bar dot AJ bar is dash. You put shortcut. Now take or put the value n is equal to 2. 2 అంటే better. 1 అంటే రెండు ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి. 3 అయితే సమ్ లెంత్ అయిపోద్ది. 2 అయితే కొంచెం తొందరగా వస్తుంది. Put n is equal to 2. Now you can write అంటే ఎన్ని టర్మ్స్ ఇక్కడ 1 less than I less than ఏమి ఎక్కువ లేవు. Sigma 1 less than equal to I less than equal to j less than equal to 2 అంతే. అంటే ఓన్లీ 2 టర్మ్స్ a1 a2. a1 a2 there is no sigma అంతే. ఒకవేళ a1 a2 a3 ఉందనుకో, 3 ఉంటే a1 a2 plus a2 a3 plus a3 a1 మళ్ళీ అట్లా రావాలి. ఇక్కడ 1 2 రెండే టర్మ్స్. there is no sigma అంటే డైరెక్ట్గా మళ్ళీ నువ్వు సిగ్మా a1 a2 నే రాయొచ్చు. అగైన్ మళ్ళీ there is no sigma. so better to calculate using n is equal to 2. a1 a2 అవుతుంది. a1 a2 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి గివెన్ ఇక్కడ గివెన్ తీసుకోండి. గివెన్ సిగ్మా ఇక్కడ కూడా n is equal to 2 తీసుకుంటే అర్థం a1 plus a2 only two terms. a1 plus a2 equal to 0. Squaring on both sides చేద్దాం. Squaring on both sides చేస్తే a1 square plus a2 square plus 2a1 a2 equal to 0. a1 square plus a2 square. Here ai he given. ai means mod a1 equal to 1, mod a2 equal to 1, mod a3 equal to 1, all are unity vectors. So 1 plus 1 into 2a1 a2 you write here simply. So these two taken this side, 2a1 a2 is equal to minus 2, then a1 a2 equal to minus 1 you write. So minus 1 ఈ వాల్యూ minus 1 ఉంటాయి. n వాల్యూ 2 తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి minus 1 వచ్చేలాగా ఏ ఆప్షన్ ఉంది చెక్ చేయండి. Option 4 is n by 2. We have taken the value n as 2, then it becomes minus 1. So verified first option. Now let us discuss about second sum. Level 3, second question. The value of a for which the angle between two vectors is given. The value of a which the angle between a bar is given. The value of a he given the vector a bar. A bar is equal to 2a square I. A bar is equal to 2a square I plus 4aj. 2a square I plus 4aj plus k bar. B bar is equal to 7i minus 2j. 7i minus 2j plus ak is obtuse angle. So angle, whenever the angle is obtuse, angle a comma b greater than 90. Whenever angle a comma b greater than 90, you can written as a bar dot b bar less than 0. A bar dot b bar less than 0. ఇక్కడ a bar dot b bar less than 0 అయిపోతుంది. a bar dot b bar less than 0 మనం రాద్దాం. అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 7 jar 14a square minus 2 4 jar 8a plus a square less than 0. 14a square here 2a square I plus 4aj plus k. B value 7i minus 2j plus ak is obtuse and angle between b bar and z axis కూడా ఇచ్చాడు. అది obtuse is obtuse and angle between b bar and z axis separate less than pi by 6. Then what is the value of a? So here 15a square minus 8a. 15a square minus 8a less than 0. So a, if you take common, 15a minus 8 less than 0. So you can written as a minus 0 into a minus 8 by 15 less than 0. So a belongs to 0 comma 8 by 15 according to option. 0 comma అని ఏమీ లేదు. ఒకసారి వెరిఫై చేద్దాం. a is equal to 2a square I plus 4aj plus k. b is equal to 7i minus 2j plus ak is obtuse angle. Then angle between b bar అక్కడ గలా ఉంటుంది. The angle between b bar and z axis is acute and less than pi by 6. It's okay. Next a bar dot b bar less than 0. 2 into 7 14a square minus 4 into 2 minus 8a plus this is only a. A equal to less than 0. A less than 0. Whenever it is less than 0, now you write here 14a square, simply 14a square. 14a square minus 7a. You can write here 14a square minus 7a less than 0. If you multiply with 7a, 2a minus 1 less than 0 you can write. So you can think this one as a minus 0 into a minus 1 by 2 less than 0. So a belongs to 0 comma 1 by 2. అక్కడ సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంది. ఆల్సో కండిషన్ ఇచ్చాడు. a belongs to 0 comma 1 by 2. ఆల్సో కండిషన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే ఆ కండిషన్ మనం చదువుదాం. అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ కండిషన్ we can understand that second condition is there. B bar and Z axis. So angle between B bar comma Z axis. Angle between B bar comma Z axis is acute. Means less than 90. Acute. That means less than 90. That too, that is greater than pi by 6. It is greater than pi by 6 ఇచ్చాడు. అంటే cos theta is equal to Z axis angle మనకి k bar అంటే ఇలా రాసుకోండి. cos theta is equal to b అంటే 7i minus 2j plus ak dot k by the magnitude this one here 49 plus 4 plus a square. ఇది మనకి గ్రేటర్ acute కాబట్టి గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 వస్తుంది Z axis అంటే ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ తీసుకో 7i minus 2j plus ak. సో ఇక్కడ a by root of this is 49 plus 4 53 plus a square greater than 0. ఇది greater than 0 ఉంది, ఆల్సో greater than pi by 6. cos theta వాల్యూ గురించి ఒకసారి మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. cos theta we know that minus 1 less than or equal to cos theta less than or equal to 1. ఇక్కడ greater than 0 కాబట్టి that implies ఇక్కడ 0 less than cos theta less than or equal to root 3 by 2. అంటే root 3 by 2 కన్నా ఇక్కడ root 3 by 2 means 0.866. cos 0 వాల్యూ 1, cos 30 వాల్యూ root 3 by 2. అంటే root 3 by 2 అంటే cos 30 కాబట్టి cos 0 1 కాబట్టి 30 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది యాంగిల్. సో ఆ ప్రకారం మనం చూసుకుందాం. సో ఆ ప్రకారం మనం చూసుకున్నట్టయితే a ఇంటూ 53 ప్లస్ a స్క్వేర్ ఇక్కడ రూట్ 3 by 2 కన్నా గ్రేట్ పెట్టాలి. అంటే a బై రూట్ ఆఫ్ 53 ప్లస్ a స్క్వేర్ రాద్దాం. a బై రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఇక్కడ 53 ప్లస్ a స్క్వేర్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ రూట్ 3 by 2. ఎందుకంటే రూట్ 3 by 2 కన్నా గ్రేట్ ఉంటేనే 0 సైడ్ వెళ్తున్నట్లు లెక్క, cos 0 సైడ్ వెళ్తున్నట్లు లెక్క. దీన్ని మనం ఇలా రాస్తాం 2a గ్రేటర్ దాన్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 3 ఇంటూ 53 159 ప్లస్ 3a స్క్వేర్ if we squaring both sides, if we take squaring both sides it gives 4a square greater than 159 plus 3a square. So you can write here a square, taken this here, a square greater than 159. So you can try to understand that one as a plus root 159, a plus root 159 into a minus root 159 greater than 0. That means a does not belongs to the value minus root 159 comma root 159. Approximately root 159 value 160, 100, 10, 1, 144, 12 maybe greater than 12. అంటే 12 కన్నా బిలో ఉండదు. అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా లెస్ దాన్ అన్నమాట. ఏ లెస్ దాన్ రూట్ 159 ఇక్కడ ఏ లెస్ దాన్ మైనస్ రూట్ 159 అండ్ ఏ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ రూట్ 159. స్టూడెంట్స్ యూ షుడ్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద వాల్యూ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 12 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండాలి, లేకుంటే 12 కన్నా గ్రేట్ ఉండాలి. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఎలా ఉంది 0, 1/2 ఉంది. దేర్ఫోర్ నో కామన్ డొమైన్ ఈ రెండింటికి అతను ఇచ్చిన డేటాకి మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్కి కామన్ డొమైన్ లేదు. ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి కామన్ డొమైన్ లేదో సొల్యూషన్ డస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్. అదే సెకండ్ క్వాలిటీ తీసుకోకుండా సెకండ్ క్వాలిటీ తీయకుండా ఇది మాత్రం చేస్తే మీకు రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. లెవెల్ 3లో ఉన్నాము, 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసాము. లెట్ us కంటిన్యూ ఇన్ టుమారో క్లాస్. ఓకే.